All right, guys, today we're gonna have a real quick video. We're going to install something pretty cool on the B2601, and it's a factory part. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're going to install a bucket level indicator system. It's actually factory parts, so you could consider this a factory install. However, we know they do not make a factory kit for the bucket level indicators for these B2601s. I must give credit to, I believe it's Peacefield Farms, YouTube. He's the one that got all the parts listed together and figured this whole system out. So I gotta give him full credit. I'll put his link to his page in the description, as well as all the parts listing for everything that you'll need to do this very quick and easy bucket level indicator kit. All right, here's the parts that you'll need. I'll zoom in on each one of them to give you part numbers, but I'll also put the part numbers in the description. So here's the main pin that you'll need. A bolt, stay indicator, grease fitting, oh Jesus clip, another bolt, a couple of nuts, the rod indicator, and the indicator bar itself. I'll put all these in the description below. All right, guys, we'll be putting a bracket in right here. We'll be removing this pin and replacing it with a new pin, putting the rod indicator, or putting the actual rod in there for the actual indicator itself, and it'll be a pretty quick and easy setup. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started. First off, we're going to use the here's a stay indicator adapter. You can see it just goes right here. It's a 14 millimeter. Okay, bracket's on there. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna remove this pin. Pin is a 15 millimeter. Bolt handy. All right, now you should just be able to move this pin around. It should come right out. There you go, pin's out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray some WD-40 on this and insert it. Before I do that though, it does not come with the grease fitting, so you need to install the grease fitting. Grease fitting is installed. A little WD, just lubes it up a little bit, makes it a little bit easier. Little persuasion, not much. Take the nut and the bolt we took out, come back in. Now, this is the actual indicator that the bar slides up and down. It's got no Jesus clip that you put on down here at the end. Unfortunately, all right. Well, note to self. Thought I would have enough room to be able to. It's all right. We'll get it. You take this one last bolt. On there. You don't want to tighten up all the way, or else it'll lock it in there. But it is a locking nut, so it shouldn't. All right, one little update. This should not move inside this bar. This is how you adjust it. It's how you adjust this bar to wherever you want it. To let you know that this is, your bucket's level. So this needs to be as tight as possible, and it doesn't need to slide up in there. So dumb move on my part, but hey, it's corrected now and it works great, and I couldn't be happier. Only thing I gotta do now is take this off and paint it good old Kubota orange. Thanks for watching, y'all.